Engineering roles in semiconductor equipment manufacturing. Engineering roles in semiconductor equipment manufacturing are essential for driving the innovation and precision required in the production of chips that power today's digital world. This presentation provides a professional overview for a general audience, including operators, technicians, engineers, and managers. It explores how engineering supports building the technology behind smartphones, data centers, autonomous vehicles, and countless other digital tools. The session is structured around three major themes: career paths, key skills, and industry outlook. Career paths will outline various engineering specialties, such as mechanical, electrical, software, and process engineering. Key skills will address both technical competencies and soft skills like problem solving, communication, and teamwork. Industry outlook will explore future demand, global trends, and employment prospects. Together, these insights will equip you with a clearer understanding of where your interests or strengths may align in this dynamic, high-tech field. Conclusion and next steps. A rewarding career in semiconductor equipment engineering begins with a strong foundation and deliberate progression. First, focus on your education. A bachelor's degree in electrical, mechanical, or chemical engineering is the minimum requirement to enter the field. However, pursuing a master's degree is highly recommended for those aiming to move into advanced or leadership roles, as it can open up opportunities for innovation and management. Next, gain practical experience. Seek internships and entry-level jobs at major semiconductor companies, where you can work with industry professionals and begin building your network. Third, develop key skills. Focus on programming, data analysis, and equipment troubleshooting to strengthen both your technical and analytical capabilities. Finally, pursue certification. Industry-recognized credentials such as SEMI standards or becoming a licensed professional engineer, PE, help demonstrate your commitment and enhance your career growth. Now is the time to start your journey. Resources and success metrics. As you plan your career path in semiconductor equipment engineering, it's essential to leverage the right resources. Start with universities offering accredited engineering programs. These lay the foundation for both knowledge and networking. Next, join professional societies like IEE and SEMI. These organizations provide access to cutting-edge research, conferences, and a strong professional community. To actively pursue job opportunities, use portals like LinkedIn and Indeed to stay updated on industry openings. Supplement your knowledge through online training courses, which can sharpen your skills and help you stay competitive. Tracking your progress through success metrics is also key. Pay attention to job placement rates to gauge your chances of employment post-graduation. Review average starting salaries to understand industry benchmarks. Finally, monitor the number of years it typically takes to reach mid-level positions. With these resources and metrics in hand, you can confidently start your journey today. Your engineering career awaits. The future of semiconductor technology depends on the next generation of skilled equipment engineers. By joining this dynamic field, you'll help shape the technologies that power everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. The market demand is growing rapidly, driven by global digitalization, AI, 5G, and renewable energy. That means excellent job prospects and long-term stability. This is more than just a job. It's a rewarding career path with opportunities for advancement, continuous learning, and personal fulfillment. You'll be at the forefront of innovation, working on cutting-edge tools and processes that push the limits of what's possible. And most importantly, you'll be future-ready. This field will continue to evolve, offering continuous growth for those who stay curious and committed. Step into a role that combines purpose, challenge, and technological impact. Your journey in semiconductor equipment engineering starts now. Take that first step.